Sandra and her partner Joe love taking long drives in the country. Since Sandra's pregnant, they hope they can continue this tradition with their new baby, Kaylin. Once she's here, she'll be joining them in the car in her very own car seat. She'll be riding in the rear-facing car seat for at least 2 years to best protect her spine from injury in case of a car accident. Each car seat manufacturer includes maximum height and weight limits in their manuals, so be sure to check. Once Kaylin outgrows her rear-facing car seat, a forward-facing car seat is next. Like her first car seat, she will stay in this until she reaches the height or weight limit. It is best for children to ride in a seat with a harness as long as possible. Next, Kaylin gets her booster seat. Usually, children can't graduate out of booster seats until they're at least 4 foot 9 inches. Remember, seat belts are made for adults, so make sure not to rush into it too quickly. Always be sure to check that the car seat is tightly fitted on the seat, not moving more than an inch side to side or forwards, and the harness is not loose enough to be pinched. Sandra and Joe now know how to keep Kaylin safe when she's ready to join them on the road. Visit picklesandicecreamga.org if you have more questions about how to practice car seat safety with your child.